Things where I wouldn't expect to be consulted, but it is so out of place. If it went up, I would assume it was a temporary installation, even though it obviously. But you'd just be like, well, surely this is just like for like a display because somebody owed somebody something.
I mean, I can rhyme off numerous reasons: safety issues, neighborhood aesthetics, property value concerns, even religious connotations. We've all watched the Ten Commandments and know what the raising of a calf is, and it's just not a good thing.
Okay, I would have never in a million years come up with that connection at all.
What are the safety concerns?
No.
Other than what it could fall over?
No, I think it's increased traffic because now people are coming out to take
Just to
pictures
see
of
the
it.
cow.
You've got gawkers now because everyone likes to be a bystander.
Yeah.
So they're all driving there to take pictures with this idiotic cow.
With the idol.
Yeah.
Now, the biblical thing, until he kind of explained it, and even after, I don't get it. It's been a long time since my catechism classes, so I can't tell you.
No, that's really stupid because they explain why the cow is there, and it relates to the property that it's built on.
It's not because of the Philistines or Moses?
No.
Okay.
Councillor Alan Ho says the donor of the $1.2 million silver statue insisted on this location.
I was the person who seconded the motion to accept the public art donation, but
that is not the Canadian accent I remember.
No, that's a very I don't know specific area of Canada.
Ladies and gentlemen, Wayne Gretzky.
The great one.
Yeah.
The great one.
P.S. How much did they say that cow was?
1.2 million.
Too many million.
Unreal.
For that.
In a second, I'm just going to go 3.6 billion.
Dead boy, is it tall.
I don't even know how you, do you even know I'm here?
What?
We're just reinforcing. That's all right.
but I also express a concern that the location may be a problem.
The placard explains that the statue called Brookview
Sounded like you said plobrum.
It did.
Wouldn't it be plobrum?
I don't know.
Don't know. This is the tightrope right now.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm not reiterating anything you're saying now.
No, we don't need to say that 10 times.
Brookview Tony Charity is to commemorate an internationally award-winning Holstein cow that was raised on Romandale Farm.
The land
That is so
land
dumb.
was donated by Stephen Roman and Romandale Farms. And charity really represents a significant part of the history of this community.
It's not charity.
In effect, it's animals like charity that enabled this community to be built.
The statue is quickly becoming a tourist attraction.
It's very quirky. It's interesting. But why? I don't know why it's here. But it's interesting.
Some visitors
I don't know why it's here, but I'm stupid, so I drove out of my way to come look at it anyway.
Canadians love chrome.
Boy, do they.
Well, who doesn't? So shy.
Some visitors stopping their vehicles to stare.
A lot of kids come out here to play. I think it's going to be dangerous for them. Say no, please. Move the cow. Let's find a new home for it.
Residents are asking the city to consider moving the cow to other locations.
Whoa!
She really slammed that one home.
Had to get one more in. Oh.
The councillor for this ward says he is talking to city staff and will be discussing options at the next city council meeting in September. Reporting live in Markham, I'm Tracy Tongs.